Past perfect is used to talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. The structure is very simple. Had plus past participle. For example, I had finished my homework before dinner started. Two things happened in the past, but one happened first. Past perfect shows us the earlier past. Compare these two sentences. When I arrived, she left. This is unclear. When I arrived, she had left. Now it is clear. She left first. I arrived later. Think in timelines. Past perfect is the earlier past. Past simple is the later past. Example: they had never seen snow before they moved to Sweden. Past perfect is very common in real life. By the time we arrived at the airport, the plane had taken off. She was tired because she had worked all night. He failed the test because he hadn't studied. To make negatives, use had not or hadn't. I hadn't eaten all day. To make questions, start with had. Had you ever been there before? One important rule: do not use past perfect without two past actions. Do not say, I had eaten breakfast yesterday. Say instead, I ate breakfast yesterday. Remember this rule forever. Past perfect shows what happened first. Past simple shows what happened later. That's it. Past perfect is simply the past of the past.